Welcome to the next session in Scheduler, which is reports. Scheduled reports provide a filtered list of active schedules which have been activated within a specified date range. A default report called a recent activity is created when Blue Prism is installed. This will present list of all schedules which have been executed either today or yesterday. This will present a list of all schedules which have activation times failing on today's or tomorrow's date as well. So you have to follow the list of steps to create the reports or to customize the report. Right click on the reports element on control room tree as shown in the screenshot. The report can be configured to display any number of days. You can customize it as much as you want. The specified day can be configured to be yesterday. Can configure to be a fixed date by checking the radio button next to the date picker and select the date whichever it is required for you. So coming up next, I'm going to show the same theoretical part in Blue Prism control room session. See you in that part. Now we are again back to Blue Prism with Controls tab. Just click on Controls tab. Under Scheduler, you have options called Reports, as I explained. So you have by default you have a recent activity. The report will be default available when Blue Prism install. So just click on that. You can be able to find the description reports of all scheduler which ran yesterday or today. You can adjust that. You can give like last 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, whatever you want, but by default it will be 2. And you can change the date by clicking here and go and change the current date, which date you want to see the scheduler activities, and that can be listed over here. And there is one more options also. You can select the schedule name here. bb07 is the schedule name, and similar to that you can select the list of schedule names and see their recent activities as well. So this is going to help you in terms of analyzing whether the bot ran today or last 2 days or last 3 days. That this report is going to helpful to analyze your scheduler performance. In case if you want to create a new report, just right click on the reports and you will be able to find a report one. Just rename it as like new report, and you can be able to just click refresh if you want to refresh it, and then add a description. I'm going to have for last 4 days from today or ending today. And in case if I don't want to do in this way, I can just click on this checkbox where I can pick the selective date. Last July 15 should be my recent activity, where I need to pick the list of actions ran by the scheduler. So this is how you can customize with the new reports as well, or you can use the existing part which is going to give you yesterday's and today's scheduling run report. So that's pretty much on the reporting part. See you in the next session.